a lot of unemployed youth of Goa, we have filed a petition challenging the beach shack policy of the government of Goa for the year 2019 till 22. The challenge basically is on the ground that the government has made 90% reservation on the beach stretches of Goa for people whom they consider as experienced people, and thereby all the unemployed or newcomers will have only 10% of chances on the beaches of Goa to run any of these shacks. Now this, according to us, is arbitrary, for it does not have an intelligible differential with the object to be achieved in the policy.
कोर्टामुखार सुनावणेच्या वेळार फिर्यादींनी शेकांच्या सुवातीच्या पावणेचो मुद्दो काढलो. शेकां खातीर लॉटरी काढून सुवाती वाटचे परस पावणी कित्याक करिनात ताची सरकारा कडच्यान जाप मागल्या. कोर्टान हो आर्ग्युमेंट याचिकेत घालूंक मान्यताय दिली. आता पारंपारीक शेकवाले हे केशीत घुसून तांची एफिडेविट घालूंक सोदतात.
The matter came up today when we were arguing. It just I felt that we should also go on to amend and add an additional ground. That is, if at all the government is giving a public space for private players to make business, to run commerce, then why should not the government get the best possible price from a highest bidder? Why should there not be bidding for these spaces so that the revenue-starved government of ours can make some money, and all this is in public interest? So saying so, I have sought leave of the court to carry an additional ground, and based on that ground itself, we are going to now call in question the policy. The learned Advocate General has said that he would want to file a reply, and so also there was a party called Traditional Shack Owners Association, or I may be wrong on the name, has also sought an intervention in my petition, saying that they belong to this experienced class and they will be affected with any order passed by the court. So I have welcomed them, let them also be heard and let the court take a call on it.
सरकाराक आणि पारंपारीक शेकवाल्यांक जाप दिवंक प्रास दिवन कोर्टान केस 21 ऑक्टोबराक दवरल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.